Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in my Inspired Bible. And since Easter is this week, I would like to do a journal entry in the book of Matthew, chapter 28, where it talks about the resurrection of Jesus. And I have this beautiful printable that is from Lindsey Decor. She has a channel here on YouTube where she does beautiful Bible journaling. She has tips and tricks for Bible journaling and just all kinds of fun stuff over there. So I will put her link down below. I will also put a link to this printable. She has a website or a blog site where she puts all of her posts of her journal entries, and she has free downloadables. So go ahead and check that out. I will be using this one today, and I will put it under and trace it. So it's just a really easy way if you don't know how to draw or not very good at drawing. This is a great way to do it, and she has many different beautiful downloadables on her channel, or on her site. So I will do that. I'm going to draw it in with pencil, and then I have some watercolor pencils here, two different greens and a purple, and then I have a pen that I will go over the top of it. So let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. Hi guys, so here's the final entry. I think it turned out super pretty. I really love this printable from Lindsey Decor. So if you like this, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. And I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.